Well, my craft channel's been out of commission for a while because I haven't really come up with any great crafts that I wanted to make. But even though this is not a craft, I did want to share this. Living in South Florida, we depend on these straw hats a lot, and they don't last long. They're very brittle, and it seems like just as soon as you start handling them just a little bit, you'll see most of the people that wear these, whether they're out in a boat or cutting lawns, you'll start seeing it's starting to break across here as they grab it and take it off and on. It just doesn't last that long. So both of my sons wear these, and I came up with an idea of how to try and preserve it. And the answer, I believe, is Mod Podge. If you put a coating of this over that hat, I can't tell you how long it will last extra, depending on the abuse or the amount you use it. But this will really extend the life of your hat. Now, I have used one of these sponges to put it on, and I'll tell you why I don't really like it. It uses up an excessive amount that's unnecessary. It also, because of how much sticks to the brush, it ends up coming through on the other side, so you've got it leaking through. And I'm not opposed to doing both sides, but it's just kind of dripping through the holes here. So what I should probably have a bigger brush, but I've just grabbed this little brush here. I don't have to show you how to paint, but you just cover the whole thing. And if you want to, you can do the inside also. It's a little tricky getting it around here, but the most important thing is this indentation here and here. All around this is where it really breaks. So you might want to extra support it right in here. And I have done it where I've just done the top, and it extends the life of the top, but then you've got this, and why not do it both at the same time? So that would be my suggestion. Mod Podge, paint the inside and outside. You don't have to worry about if you get it on this little band here. It seems to like dry and not even show if you get some on it, or just paint right over it, paint over that. Easy project and not that expensive. Your Mod Podge you can buy. I got this one at Walmart. You can also sometimes find them at the Dollar Tree. Hope you extend the life of your hat. Bye.